Hello friends, this is Viraj. I welcome you all to this session where we will be discussing Indian polity through current affairs. Alright, so we will take into account current affairs, and through this current affairs what we will do is we will try to look into various provisions of Indian Constitution and other legal instruments. Alright, chalo, तो पहला question let us see. First question is which of the following statements about recently launched Pravasi Tirth Darshan Yojana is are correct? So Pravasi Tirth Darshan Yojana basically is a scheme of government which will take into account religious tours. Okay? And this is specifically being introduced for the purpose of people of Indian origin. Okay, under this scheme, a group of Indian diaspora will be taken on a government sponsored tour to religious places in India thrice. So it is not thrice actually, it is twice. ठीक है, ये twice है, therefore first statement is obviously wrong. ठीक है. Second, all the people of Indian origin aged 18 to 45, this is again wrong. ठीक है. The age group is 45 to 65. 45 to 65, 64 nahi, 65. I'm so sorry for this mistake. All the people of the age group 45 to 65, in statement it is 18 to 45, can apply, and a group will be selected out of them with first preference given to people of Girmitia countries. So Girmitia countries basically are the countries in Indian Ocean, Indian and Pacific Ocean. Okay, so basically in Indo-Pacific region or in the waters of Indo-Pacific, the people of Indian origin belonging to these countries will be given preference. All right. So second statement is also wrong. We have seen the reason. Age group galat diya hai. Age group they have written incorrectly. So our answer will be neither one nor two. All right. Chalo. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following has recently declared Hindi as an official language to be used in court? It is Abu Dhabi. All right, it is Abu Dhabi. So Abu Dhabi, West Asia, what we are seeing is West Asia over the period of time coming close to India. And we have historical relations with West Asia. All right, we have historical relations with West Asia. So in a way it becomes easy for us to pitch ourselves as their ally. Also, since independence, we have worked very closely with them, and now the collaboration has increased not only to political issues between the two regions, that is India and West Asia, but also with respect to culture, also with respect to development in agriculture, also with respect to development in science and technology. All right, also in development with science and technology. And this decision of Abu Dhabi is one of the products of growing involvement of India in West Asia. So answer for second one is Abu Dhabi. Moving on. Consider the following statements about Competition Commission of India. Competition Commission of India, very important. Recently, Competition Commission was in news because it has fined Google, perhaps the biggest multinational or transnational company in the world. It is an autonomous organization established under Societies Registration Act. No, it is not. It is a statutory body. Statutory body is a body that has been created by a law, be it law of central government or be it law of state government. So it is a statutory body. So first statement is not correct. Second statement, it is the duty of the commission to ensure free trade in market of India. Obviously 100%, this is the main objective. Competition Commission was established under Competition Act of the year 2000. All right, so first statement is wrong, second is correct. Our answer is B, only 2. Okay, consider the following statements regarding International Court of Justice in news because of Kulbhushan Jadhav. India has taken Pakistan to the International Court of Justice over consular access to be provided to Kulbhushan Jadhav. Okay, what is the first statement? The term of judges is 5 years. No, it is not 5 years. It is basically 9 years. All right. Second, it is located in Hague in Netherlands. Second statement is right. First statement is correct. Our answer therefore is B. Chalo. Next question. Consider the following statement regarding Central Waqf Board. It is a constitutional body. No, it is not a constitutional body. It is a statutory body. Statutory body. Second statement, the body of Central Waqf Council is housed in Delhi. Alright, this statement is correct. Office is in Delhi. The council has also been empowered to advise state governments. Yes, with regard to the concept of Waqf, the body has been empowered to advise the state government. So here the answer is C, 2 and 3 only. Which of the following cities are included in Safe City program, a pilot program under Nirbhaya Fund scheme? Nirbhaya Fund was created after death of a paramedic in Delhi where she was brutally raped. Alright, this fund is for women's safety. This fund was being created for women's safety. Which are the cities mentioned? Ahmedabad, yes, Ahmedabad is included. Lucknow, yes, Lucknow is included. Hyderabad, yes, Hyderabad is also included. So what do we see our answer to be? It's D, 1, 2 and 3. Moving on, consider the following statements. Consider the following statements about Central Administrative Tribunal. It is a constitutional body. It is a constitutional body. देखो basically ना Central Waqf Board, if we consider Central Administrative Tribunal, what do we see is mention of it being in the Constitution. What the Constitution says that under Article 323A, a Central Administrative Tribunal can be established. All right. So first statement is correct. Second statement, it adjudicates disputes related to recruitment to central and state public services. Obviously, 100% right. All right. It also covers defense forces and staff of Supreme Court. No, it does not. No, it does not. The defense forces and staff of Supreme Court has been kept out of it. So first and second statement is correct. Our answer is A. 1 and 2 only. Untouchability is prohibited by Article 17. Article 17. Okay. Friends, this is the QR code which if you scan, you will be able to attempt more questions provided by GS code. Do use it. You know, it will be beneficial for you and we will meet soon. Till then, keep studying, happy studying, and if there is any issue, you know that you can always contact us. We at GS Core are always there to help you, always there to support your studies. Bye. See you next time.